Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we got a really special video because it is the anniversary of my first year doing a painting every single week. Pretty proud of myself, my baby proud of me too, and we're just gonna keep it going. I wanted to tell you guys that I love doing paintings every week and it's been a joy to do them for you, but I feel like I need more time with my paintings. So in this next year, we might have a little bit of time between paintings. It might be every other week or maybe even longer, just so I can get better quality paintings as well as better quality videos. I still think that I'm gonna try to stick to every week giving you something, but that's just something to note. The feature artist that we got for this week is a dude named Max. I've been following Max for a very long time on Instagram. He was actually one of the first people that I followed on Instagram. Really love this guy's work. Max is inspired by science fiction and dystopian universe along with street art, pop art. He started his passion for creating digital art on his iPhone and iPad, and then he moved to Photoshop where he found this perfect tool to express himself to the fullest, and he does, and he's dope. So get ready to check out some sweet art from my homeboy Max. This week we got a super cool commission from my boy DK. We call him Donkey Kong. David, my dog, been friends with him for a long time. Love this guy, and he saw the Goku joint, and he was up there like, yo, I want a Dragon Ball joint too. So I'm doing Vegeta, and spoiler alert, this joint is dope. We got new stuff, and then we're bringing in some old techniques as well. All the music is going to be my music, of course. Next week, or the next painting, I'm gonna introduce you guys to a guy that I know named Terrence, and he's gonna do the music, and he is so sweet. I wanted the last video of the year, or not the last video, y'all know that I'm talking about. I wanted to be my music, and this painting is so dope. I think that I'm ending it on the right track. We've made some leaps and bounds as far as video editing, as far as painting skills and all of that, and I just want to celebrate that this week with you guys. Peace and all the love in the world. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we are starting this painting off the same way we usually start it off with. Got a pencil sketch down, and I'm covering it with tape because I want to go ahead and work on the background first. This background was so much fun, and it's not going to be the last time that you see this background. I got something super special for my next commission, and I think I'm going to use the same type of background. It's just going to be a different subject. And I am getting it down. I am inside the house, outside the house, just getting it all done, and it was so much fun, especially with the weather breaking and whatnot, to get this painting started. The background, all the spray paint and my splatters and all of that. You guys remember that joint from paintings like the Rick joint that I did, or the turtle in space, the Finding Dory. What was the doggone turtle's name in Finding Dory, baby? Crash? Whatever. That one and others. So now we're just gonna go ahead and get that gold leaf on there. Y'all know I was gonna do some gold leaf, so I had to get some gold leaf on there, and it was a lot of fun getting this done, it's so funny when I'm done doing Vegeta's hair and stuff. It looks like he's getting his hair done and stuff. I don't know. Alright guys, so you're noticing that when I went to do the power ball that Vegeta's holding there, Originally it was gonna be like the moon or a planet or something like that, but then I was up there like, nah, let's make that like a energy ball for Vegeta and whatnot. And as I'm putting the silver leaf on there, you guys can see that I'm running into some issues, so I just went ahead and just threw all my specs on there because I didn't have any like sheets to put on there. But it ended up working out because after that I got into doing the comic strips, the manga. What do you guys call it? Tell me in the comments. I started putting them damn comic strips on Vegeta's body. Now I only wanted to put it where like there's black on his body, and this is something different because most of the time when I use my comic strips and stuff like that, it's usually for the background or the border, like with the domino joint, or even with the Octo Trooper, the very first video that I did, I put the comic strips around it. I never used the comic strips on the inside, and I love doing that. That shit looked dope. Hell to me. But yeah, we're getting it in there, and I'm marking on each spot where the lines and all of that stuff goes, and I think that it really worked out. You guys let me know what you think too. Alright guys, so I don't know when this happened, but as I was doing Vegeta's Powerball, I was up there like, what would be really dope right here is if it actually was illuminated. So I cut a hole inside the Powerball, and then I Mod Podge the light on the back of it. And as you can see, you can just pop this part right. All you gotta do is just turn this little thing right here, and then the batteries go in. So it's real easy for David to go ahead and change the batteries for it, and I thought that was super dope. I'm gonna suggest to him when he comes here to pick it up in a few hours that he should just get what I have, and that's a battery charger. You get the rechargeable batteries, and I do it for all of the lights around my house, just swap in and out the batteries, and it's super dope. So this is something new. I know we did lights on the domino joint, but we never did any like real lights in a painting. So that's super exciting that that we're at this stage now. So much mixed medium, the gold leaf, the light, the spray paint, the comic strips. We're getting somewhere. We're finding that style that I've been so desperate to find over the past year. Alright guys, so after all of that, we're already more than halfway through this video. I'm finally getting to the painting part. So I use oils and acrylics on this painting. You might notice that I use some acrylics around the outline, filling up those spaces that I didn't get with the spray paint. But we're going in with the oils to do the hands and the feet and the chest piece, as well as Vegeta's face. And this was so much fun because I didn't have to stress out about where my hand was. Even though I messed up at one part, I accidentally put my hand right in some paint and then got it on the background. So I had to go back into the background and fix that. But we're having so much fun. The painting part was so easy. I mean, it was black and pretty much white gloves with some shading, and then just his face and then that part. But yeah, turned out super dope in my opinion, even though I had to fix up a couple little things here and there. It ain't no thing, it's all good.
Wanna leave this town. Wanna leave this town. Wanna leave this. Wanna leave this.
Alright guys, now we are just wrapping up this painting, getting it done, adding that extra little detail here and there. I didn't get a chance to get down the part where I finished up like all the detail, the black lines in his hair, as well as my signatures, but you'll see it in the end part and see it like both lit up and at the when it's dark. So look forward to that. Thank you so much for coming out. Guys, that's gonna do it for another video. Thank you guys so much for coming out. Some of you have been here every single week since I started this, and I am a newbie still. But the people that have stuck around, I'm pretty sure can see the progression. I see it a little bit myself, and I have just been having a ball doing this. Thank you so much to all of my commissions. Thank you, Daryl, for being the first person to get me started. Thank you all the commissions. I can't even think about them all, but you guys keep me going. You know, the Candace, the Ashley, the Connors, all you guys. Love you guys so much. Keely, thanks for coming out. You guys are my heart, my soul, and this is so much fun, and we are not stopping. We're only gonna get better. You're gonna see better videos, you're gonna see better art, and we're just gonna keep it going. Thank you so much, Max, for coming out to let me feature your art. I don't know why I didn't get a hold of you sooner to be a feature on one of my videos. I still gotta get my homegirl Moose on a video. It's just like so many artists that I admire, and so many just people and music, and I don't know, I'm spilling my guts because I just love y'all so much. Thank you to my baby for always being the #1 supporter. This year is going in the books as a great year for art for me and for everybody else too. There's a whole bunch of sweet shit out there. More music, more art to come. Thank you so much, DK, for having me paint this for you because I love this painting. I almost don't want to give it to your ass. Peace, love, guys. I love you guys with my whole